What's up, guys? How are we doing today? Just as a disclaimer, I'm kind of sick when recording this, so my voice is going to be a little different than all my other videos. But we're going to get into some more reselling vendors. I've talked about this a lot, but reselling vendors is kind of what this channel is about. I produce shit tons of reselling vendors that I'm going to show you guys. So our first one today is going to be a new cologne that I found, NYC Perfume Bond 9. It looks identical to the other one. If you go down here, make sure you don't get this one. Make sure you're getting the where's that? This one here. I think, yeah, it's in stock. I don't know why it's grayed out when you first load onto the page. Like a couple of them are for some reason, but if you go down here, it's only 30 bucks. Excuse me, that's my sickness. And then if you go on like Fragrance.net, which is like a really common place people buy colognes, or eBay, eBay is a little bit cheaper, obviously, but this one for 3 ounces is $469, but the one for 1.7 is $336. So this is a huge price difference. This is a really good product that I came across. You can probably put this up on Facebook Marketplace for like $150 and make about $120 each time somebody buys it, which is great. That's a lot of money if you sell 3 of those a day. Let's do the math. Let's get it down here. Okay, 3 a day, right? So if you're making, what was that? We said we put this up. Yo, you make 120 a day. So 120 times 120 times 52, because that's weekly. Or no. Wait. It'd be 120 times, because we're assuming you sell 3. 120 times 3 times 52 is 18,000. So just off this product alone, you'd make $18,000 if you can sell 3 of these a week, which is insanely good and honestly really easy to do. And that's putting it up for a really low price compared to other listings that you'll find. So you'll get tons of interested buyers. All right, moving on to our next one. It is Space War lightsaber thing. I honestly have never purchased this one, but I saw it and I thought it'd be good to include into this video because it looks really solid. And I've seen people on other sites buying these. I always use DHgate because I've always noticed the best quality and pretty good shipping times compared to some other cheaper products. But this one, pretty cool. And then compared to the next one, the Lego Star Wars one on this, the only reason I have this on eBay is because Lego is out of stock, which shows you how much they're being bought up. As you can tell, people are buying them right now. There's lots of listings for them. But this one's 200 bucks. You could probably, well, that one's a little bit cheaper. Still, if you put this up for, let's just go for the lowest listing that we can find here, $84. If you put this up for $84, that's $60 profit per one, which is a great profit. You can do it on eBay, Facebook Marketplace. You can also charge a little bit more if you do it on eBay for delivery, which I'm assuming they do, maybe not. Oh wow, maybe they deliver, varies. Excuse me, but still a great one to look into. And then let's look into Prismatic Evolutions Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards are a great one. I love Pokemon cards. I may have gone over this product before, but I thought it'd be a great addition to our video because this one's just absurd. So it's $15 for DHgate, and if you go down to Walmart, it's I think 90 last time I checked. Oh, 99, excuse me, $100. So the difference there is 85 bucks. So you put this up for you put this one up for 50, 60-ish, that's $45. So really good profit margin there. So as you can tell, all these products are pretty solid. Best one always comes first. I'm going to be starting that. I don't do that in all my other videos, but I'll be starting to do that where I put the best product based off profit margins first, and then all the other ones go a little bit further down, but they're still great buys. I'll never give you a bad buy. But yeah, these are great products you can look into. I have another video later, or my last video, I found one that was like worth a lot. I didn't put it in this video. It was a Pokemon card set. I'll put a little video tag up in the corner here in just a second that'll show you to go to that one, because that one's an absurd one. So I think it's like the second product that I have on there. I looked it up. The reason I'm telling you this is I looked it up, and the price actually I think went up. So definitely look into that. Grab that one. I think it went up like up to like 300 now. So it's a great one. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna stop recording now. Peace out, guys. See you later. Have a great rest of your day.